Oh, yeah.
Not on my watch. To say that you will not allow something wrong or unacceptable to happen while you are in charge or responsible. Meaning, to say that you will not allow something wrong or unacceptable to happen while you are in charge or responsible. Examples: as the monitor, he said, "Not on my watch." The coach told the team, "Not on my watch. I won't let anyone cheat in this class. Not on my watch." Conversation, a good example. Someone is spreading rumors about our friend. Let's tell the teacher. Good idea. Not on my watch. Origin. This idiom comes from the idea of being a guard, sentry, or person in charge who keeps watch to prevent problems or stop something bad from happening. Modern use. We use "not on my watch" in everyday life, at school, at home, at work, in teams, or anywhere we are responsible for keeping things fair, safe, and right. Relative expressions. Similar. No way on my watch. I won't allow it. I draw the line here. I won't stand for it. Opposite. Go ahead. It's okay. Whatever. When to use it. When you are in charge or responsible. When something is wrong, unfair, or unsafe. When you want to stop a problem from happening. When you want to show leadership and care. More example. He's being bullied. Should we ignore it? No. Not on my watch. Key takeaway. Good leaders don't ignore problems. They take action. Remember, you are in charge of your actions. You can stop wrong things. You can protect others. You can make a difference.
Brought to you by Idioms Rock.